Hello guys, tonight's arrangement is a unique arrangement because many of my students from different corners of India have requested me to make them understand the difference between participle and gerund and between gerund and verbal noun. It is really a very confusing matter from the point of grammar. However, I am not elaborating my introduction. And first of all, I request all of you to subscribe my channel and not to skip a line, a particular word in the video, because you will miss the opportunity of having the clear conception of participle and gerund, gerund and verbal noun. Okay? Let us enter the content. Then what is a gerund? Gerund is actually a non-finite verb. A non-finite verb, and this non-finite verb can be used both as subject and object. Clear? Both as subject and as predicate. Clear? Then what is gerund? Gerund is a non-finite verb that can be used both as subject and object. Clear? Let us give some examples. Swimming is a good exercise. SWIMMING. Swim plus ing, swimming. So you see that swimming has been used as subject and is the verb. So swimming is a good exercise. It is a non-finite verb, but it has been used as subject. Clear? Then let us give another example. Serving the poor people is serving God. You see that serve plus ing, serving, is a non-finite verb and it has been used as subject, and at the same time it has been used as object. Serving God. Clear? Let us take another example of gerund. For example, telling the truth is a very difficult task. Telling the truth. You see that telling is verb and it has an object. That is the truth. Telling, tell plus ing, it has been used as subject. It is a non-finite verb. Remember, when you use suffix ing with the finite verb, it becomes a non-finite verb. Telling the truth is a very difficult task. Clear? Let us take another example. For example, carrying a basket to the station is not at all an insulting matter to me. So carry plus ing, carrying, it has been used as subject. Clear? It has been used as subject. And there is no problem because It is non-finite verb, but it has been used as subject. Carrying the basket to the station is not insulting to me. Clear? Another example. I am taking. Taking precautionary measures at the time of COVID. Taking precautionary measures at the time of COVID is protecting the community from danger. Is protecting the community from danger. So protecting is an object and taking is subject. Clear? Now let us conclude that gerund is a non-finite verb that can be constructed by adding ing suffix to the present form of the verb, that can be used both as subject and object, that is both as subject and predicate. Okay? Now come to the point, participle. For example, don't lean out from a running train. Don't lean out from a running train. You see that run plus ing running, it is an adjective to the train. Then what is participle? Participle is a verbal adjective. Participle is a verbal adjective. You see that running is an adjective to train. Clear? Verbal adjective retaining some of the properties of the verb. That means it doesn't lose all the characteristics of verb. It becomes or it turns into adjective. Clear? Another example. Don't shoot the singing bird. Don't shoot the singing bird. Sing plus ing, it is adjective to the bird. To the bird. Clear? So it is verbal adjective retaining some of the properties of the verb. Clear? Another example I am taking. For example, you tell your friend, you frequently tell your friend, for example, a rolling stone gathers no moss. Roll plus ing, rolling, R-O-L-L-I-N-G. A rolling stone, that means a stone that rolls. So rolling becomes adjective to the stone. Clear? It becomes verbal adjective. But retaining some of the properties of the verb because it is still rolling. Clear? Another proverb I am taking. A barking dog seldom bites. A barking dog here means a dog that barks. So bark plus ing, barking, it is verbal adjective but retains some of the characteristics or some of the properties of the verb. Clear? So what is participle? Participle is a verbal adjective retaining some of the properties of the verb. Now come to the third point. What is verbal noun? Don't confuse between gerund and verbal noun. For example, The fighting of the two boys shocked me much, or the fighting of the two children shocked me much. You see, fight plus ing, don't confuse, preceded by the and followed by of. That means the precedes the word with ing and it is followed by of. Another example I am giving you. I enjoyed the fighting of the bulls. I enjoyed the fighting of the bulls. You see that fight plus ing, fighting, preceded by the fighting and followed by of. Clear? So let us conclude that verbal noun is always preceded by the and followed by of, although it is also a non-finite verb. It can also be used both as subject and as object. So let us conclude here, and I shall discuss the other day again the participle, verbal noun and gerund, and I shall give you another lesson. Okay? And it is the primary lesson, it is the basic lesson, it is the fundamental lesson that you should keep it in mind. Okay? Good night. And I think that you won't forget to subscribe my channel if it comes to your benefit. And if it comes to your benefit, I think I shall be highly blessed and I shall appear before you with more grammatical items and writing skills. Good night. Stay fit, stay safe, avoid mass gathering, use hand sanitizer and mask. Okay.